Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are the second Tuesday for the month of September 2025. And that means we are at Patch Tuesday, or what Microsoft likes to call Security Update Tuesday. So today you have the Windows 11 operating system, Windows 11 23H2, 24H2, and if you are on the Insider Preview, even 25H2 all get security updates today and some bug fixes mixed in. So in my case here, 24H2, if I go to see the preview, Windows Update, and go see the update history, you will see that I've got cumulative update for KB 506-5426. Brings the build to 26100.6584. If you're on Windows Insider Preview and you have 25H2, you have an update that brings it to 26200.6584. So this is one of the updates. There was also today a cumulative update for .NET in my case. This might not be for everybody. I also have a .NET 8 here that appeared. So depending on what's important, actually mostly is if to have the cumulative update for Windows itself, because it depends. The rest depends on the configuration and what you have on your PC. So this actually is really security updates. We're going to look into details as to how many and what it all fixes. Is there any 0 days in there? All of that is coming up in a separate video where we'll look and detail the updates themselves. But it brings some new features and some changes. If you haven't applied the update previews, which are the bug fixes, in late August, well, now they are going to apply at the same time. So it adds new features. It changes a few things, adds things like some of you will have the possibility to turn on the clock and the calendar, the notifications and the calendar stuff. I have it on one PC, not on the one that I'm showing here. And there's, of course, a lot of fixes also in there that are brought up by the bug fixing updates of late August. For the rest, it's, of course, security updates. That's important to stay safe. And remember that updates are the number one reason you stay safe, not your antivirus. Really, updates and your behavior are the two most important things. That's 99.9% of all the security. So check it out. It's available now. And of course, if you don't do anything, it should be rolling out and installing itself at some point automatically. It was pretty quick to install. No glitches, no problems yet. And of course, we'll be looking into that in the next few days, because you never know what could happen with these updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.